Welcome back again, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, guys, another project. This is a 2010 Jeep Commander. I picked this one up off the auction. Actually running dry, but it running really rough, guys. It runs so rough it won't even idle by itself. You gotta pretty much step on the gas, put it in gear, and the brake at the same time, just to get it running. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna go ahead and diagnose it and see what's going on. We got a dead battery. I already got it to run, as I was saying. So what we're gonna do, take off the 2 valve cover and see what's going on under there. I have a feeling something going on under there. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so as you can see, to get to this valve cover, I still haven't get on the deer yet, but I pretty much got to put all of these wire harness and try to get it out the way. Let me turn some lights on over here. It got a 10mm right there at the top behind this breather thing right here. I don't know what the name of it, but it's got some valve in there. There's a 10 round here and there's a 10 round here in the back, but this one right here, the harness sit right on it, so you got to remove all the wire harness out the way to get to that 110. So I'm gonna just go ahead and remove all of these. They look rusted a little. There's no oil in the engine, and then we're gonna see what's going on from there, guys. The power steering pump, always a good deal, because it give you more space so you can get this valve cover off. It can be a pain in the butt. So let's get these 10 and be right back. So we're on the driver side right now, and as you can see, we got a lifter stuck right there, and this bank the back one over here. See, this one ain't no good. See the cam, zoom it up a little. Cam right here on the top kind of get damaged a little also. So on this cylinder alone, we got 2 that's damaged so far. This one and the one over there in the back so far, guys. So let's see if we can get this one that jammed right here out, and take that lift over there in the back out and take a look at them. There you go, guys. So far we have 2 bad lifters on this side. I'm pretty much just analyzing the situation right now. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is just go ahead and take this side off too. Since we are at it, we're gonna take off the passenger side also and take a look what's going on under there. Might as well. I also got a coolant leak right there that I gotta address all the way down there on that pipe. So I gotta check it out and see what's going on right there. Possibly replace that hose. So that's what I'm fixing to do now, guys. I'm just gonna take off this side too, and make my mind at ease. That's what I'm gonna do. All right. Okay, guys, so on the passenger side, to make this one easy too for myself, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the filler tube right here. It's held on by 4 8mm. I'm gonna just take it out the way, so that way when I lift it up, I can just get the valve cover to come forward instead of try to fight with it, you know what I mean? So I'm trying not to take this bracket off, so see with my guys. I lift the passenger side up, and based on what I'm seeing on the passenger side, everything is looking good on the passenger side. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna just go ahead and tighten it back up. We're gonna focus on the driver side and try to get some parts and fix that situation right there. All right, thank you guys. So we finished putting the side of valve cover back on, and lock it down, connect all the injector wires and stuff. So our next move is we're gonna slide to the junkyard. We're gonna try to get some knickknacks. Then we're gonna go to the parts store and. All right, guys. So we're back at the house. I went to the junkyard and I find these two hoses right here for our coolant system. And while I was there, I just went scavenger hunt and get me a couple of these lifters and stuff like that. We're on a budget, guys. I find me a couple of them. So we're finna pop a couple of them in and see if it works. Hopefully it works, guys. Stay tuned. So we ran into a little jam right now. The issue we're having right now, seems like we got a drop valve seat. So the cylinder head right here is not in the best of condition right now. So what I gotta do, I'm gonna have to remove the cylinder head. Guys, we're not looking good. I go ahead and take the intake piece out. It wasn't easy, guys. It was a pain. As you can see, my jack angle is still right here. I gotta pry up on this part right here. Hope I didn't mess things up, but it wasn't easy at all. I was trying to see. I think you gotta take off this whole piece right here just to get it out. That's another story. Pull the water pump, didn't see any coolant at all. That's not good. So I'm go ahead and taking off the harmonic balance right now. Then we're going to take the whole face off so we can see the timing chain and everything. Also, we got to pull that valve cover back again, so we can see the timing when we're doing it back. We got a drop valve seat in there, so we're going to go ahead, take off this head. That's what we're fixing to do. All right, guys, peace out. I will see you when I got your head off. So what we do so far, guys, we remove the tensioner. The tension ain't good either. You can see. Yeah, that's not good. We gotta change that. Remove the cam, kind of turn it almost stop dead center and do our best. I'm gonna retime it anyways. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna remove the cam, remove all the lifters and stuff. I already go ahead and remove the exhaust. That's 216mm. I go ahead and do that. So all I got left, guys, is just pretty much the head bolts. And once I remove all the head bolts, that should be it. You got two 10mm inside here. There's one, and I think another one right up in here, and two right here. All right, guys, so as you can see, this one right here, it's messed up, and this one right here also messed up. So I'm gonna go ahead, take these two valves out and take a closer look at what's going on there. See if it's something that I can repair. This one crack right there. No, it's not looking good. All right, guys.